Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world, to the world of Wayne, and today we're going to be exploring another one of your man caves, hobby rooms, workstations, and see what they're like. I want to see your stuff. So without further ado, let's get cracking. Now today's submission is by someone called Matthew Bean, who runs the YouTube site Beanie's Hobbies, and I've put a link down here for that. Now what's different between this man cave and the rest that I'll feature on the channel is I've actually seen this one. Matthew Bean was the person responsible for getting me into 3D printing. He's the one that I purchased the 3D printer on. So at the later half of last year, as a matter of fact I think it was like 2 days before New Year's Day, I went to visit Matt in his workshop over on the East Coast, and I'll tell you what, it's something special. This guy is absolutely devoted to 3D printing, and he's got hot toys falling out his ears. It's absolutely brilliant place, and I'm glad that now he can share that with you. So as I said, if you want to see some more of what Matthew does, go over to his YouTube site and you'll see some of the 3D prints he's been doing and stuff like that. But this is something special.
Hi all, welcome to the inner sanctum of Beanie's Hobbies Uni Cave. That's it, excitement's over, we're inside. Probably helpful if I put a light on. Alright, so this is my workshop where I do a lot of my 3D prints. Let's give you sort of a bit of a walk around tour. So that's obviously there, one of my latest prints. Any Halo fans out there as well. And I also share this, that's why I called it a uni cave, because I also share this with the other half, so Mrs. Beanie's Hobbies. So we'll get round to that shortly. Let's have a quick look at all the prints. It's Gimli's battle axe from Lord of the Rings, currently mounted to my broom, because where else would I put it? Before we start looking at anything else, I'll just show you my prints that I've been doing. So these here are some of my prints. Got some busts. These aren't all of them, these are just a sort of a handful that I've picked out. So got life-size Thor's hammer, Groot, Iron Man helmet, Hellboy's gun, several different bits and bobs. So as you can guess, I do a lot of 3D printing. So I'll just give you a little walk around so I can zoom out a bit. There we go, a little walk around of my printers. So this first one here is an Anycubic Chiron, and sitting beside it we have an Anycubic Predator. It's a Delta printer, and sitting beside that I've got a little tiny baby FL Sun QQS Pro. Obviously this is my workstation. I'm gonna give myself a quick shameless plug. As you can see, I haven't got many subscribers yet. We're getting there slowly. Then down on the end here, we have a pair of Creality CR10 V2s. Busy printing away. Well, this one isn't at the moment, so I'm waiting for some lights to come for it. Because obviously, as it's in the garage, when I turn all the lights off, it's dark, so the cameras can't actually see. Over here we have my workstation, where I have all my current projects that I'm currently printing. Quite a large hand cannon. Little sneak peek. This isn't anywhere near finished yet. But with a tower, I've got some LED lights to put in there. It's got to be painted. And I made a nice resin base. Currently working on a life-size Terminator arm. And obviously under my bench we have a ton of junk, like any man cave should. And we've got the X-Wing part build in this box. This is where Mrs. Beanie's Hobbies, she does a lot of weathering on my prints for me, because I can spray paint, I can do a bit of airbrushing, but when it comes to weathering, you know, she hasn't weathered this yet. I'll show you some of those. This is where she works, but underneath this bench we have some more part builds. So in here we have the DeLorean, both those boxes are DeLorean. We've got the Fair, Terminator, Spitfire, the Ecto 1. And under this side of the bench we have the Volkswagen camper from De Agostini. That was a part build, I've now finished that. Underneath this we have my array of remote controlled vehicles. So I've got a Tamiya King Tiger, and I've got 2 Traxxas vehicles, and I've got another one on the end there which is currently covered up because my Terminator's hiding on top of it. And we have my air compressor from my airbrush. And this side of the desk is Mrs. Beanie's Hobbies. As you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy, unlike my side. This is where she does her nail art. And also another thing she does, having right camera issues, is build doll's houses. So just flick the lights on inside. Let me have a little look through the window. So yeah, she builds dolls houses. So yeah, really, that's about it for my man cave. Lots and lots of junk. Oh, and also, I'll show you up this top corner. Also got a couple of arcade machines in here. Fridge for keeping all the cold drinkies in. And that really is about it. And Mrs. Beanie's Hobbies had weathered Thor's hammer for me. And also weathered the Iron Man helmet for me. I'll just take this off the stand. Just going to take it over here and put it on the workbench. She's also weathered all this for me. Did install some LEDs into the eyes of this so they do light up. And also we've got Aquaman's trident. And also I do like my small collection of neon signs. And all these prints at the back here are all sort of quite early prints that I've done. I've gone on sort of the reject shelf, so not quite perfect. So yeah, that's about it for my man cave. Got one little small collection to show you inside. And then that's it for me. Now some other collections. A bit difficult to see and the light shining off every single surface known to man. that's just made it even. So I've got my small collection of Lego. But the main thing I wanted to show you was my collection of Hot Toys. A lot of Wayne would recognise this helmet. Oh. And we've got some more this side. So that's it for Beanie's Hobbies Uni Cave tour. Hope you all enjoyed it. Hope you're all staying safe. Take care. And cheerio!
Now, I have to add, Matt and his family are absolutely brilliant, and they're really welcoming when me and Mrs. World of Wayne came and visited you. So thank you again for that, Matt, and thank you for sharing your man cave. Now, if you want to share your man cave yourself, all you have to do is do a video and then email me that video just here. Now, if you're using Gmail or iCloud, it will probably put it on the cloud and send me a link. If you are having problems, still email me and I'll give you a link that you can upload that to, so you can upload your man cave. Now, next week, we're going to be doing like 3 or 4 in one video because they're actually shorter tours. And just to give you an idea of who we've got Darren Anderson, Gene Snyder, John Hay, Mark Danny, Paul Rosso, Revo Dave, Spruverse, Stewpot, and Svi, who's you'll know Svi from the chat on the Thursdays and Tuesdays live streams. Talking about live streams, I have done the second planking section of the victory here, and I am aiming to do the third one this weekend, but I'm not really going to be doing that live on YouTube. What I am going to do is, if the urge takes me, is I'm going to do that live on Twitch. So if you haven't subscribed to me on Twitch at the moment, I've put my Twitch link down there, and if you've got a Twitch account, just sign up and follow me on there and it will get you notified when I do go live. I haven't got a clue when that is. The urge took me last night, and then I had a migraine again, so it's pain in the neck, all the stress of having to do all of these pins and stuff. But I really do hope you like that video. As I said, tomorrow we've got Richard Matner's man cave. That'll be out in the morning tomorrow. So other than that, take care.